So I made this video a while ago, baiting people in with Ronnie Coleman, the text and the title. Then I put that moaning porn noise over myself deadlifting. I thought it was pretty clearly a joke, but some bodybuilder at my gym got offended and started threatening me over Instagram. Didn't do anything when he saw me in person. Anyways, somebody tagged me in a clip on TikTok. And look, I get making some noise if you're struggling or getting hyped for a big set, but in cases like this, let's be real, they're usually just doing it for attention. I mean, how hard can it be if you can pause midway through the rep? We're usually the type to do it of all reps of like a 10 rep set. Is it really so hard you need to yell if you're able to do 9 more reps?